Behind every strong sailor, there's an even stronger family who stands by them, supports them, and loves them with all their heart.
Broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we go work it out. We go walk it out. Move mountains. I'll rise up, I could say, and I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves, I'll rise up, in spite of the ache, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. The silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying, and I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move mountains, we can walk it out. Move.
Alan, take care.
The egg.
I'm Terry, signing off. We will be back.
I'm Jade, signing off. We will be back.
This is Lourdes, signing off. We will be back.
I'm Rodney Pinaso, signing off. We will be back.
Hi, I'm Erwin Padilla. I'm signing off.
Hi, I'm Andre.
I'm Charm, signing off, and we will be back.
Hi, I'm Kevin, signing off. We will be back.
And I'm signing off.
Hi, I am Paul, signing off. We will be back.
I'm Mark, signing off. We will be back.
Hi, I'm Jairus, signing off. We will be back.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm signing off. We will be back.
I'm signing off. We will be back.
Thank you very much to all my Pinoy friends. So have a safe trip back home, and I hope to see you all soon back again. Thank you, Salamat.
As rough seas make stronger sailors, tough time build greater people. We will be back, stronger.